So hi guys, so in this video we're gonna see speaking English as a practicing. Like do you think if we are the practicing at the home, like the English, yeah, we can do. So I will give something the better like the tips how to make the conversation at English at home. Like if you go to somewhere like English, yeah, you can easily speak like out of side mind. Like, yeah, you have the knowledge, but you can't speak. So hereafter, yeah, you can do something that better at home. Like if you go to the outside with your friends, yeah, you can also ask yourself like I gonna take that buzz. So these are the simple sentence you make. They create in the outside. If you have the inside of that home, yeah, I am I am eating. Uh, I am watching my TV. Do you see my phone? So these are the simple sentence you make should speak with your home. Like if you watching like TV, yeah, I am watching TV. After that, I have some work like homework. I do that after I enjoy it. I am playing the cricket. Like if you is playing the evening, yeah, I will play the evening the cricket. So the, yeah, you can simply like create that these are the simple sentence. You how to say don't the push your word in the English because of if you so many people are there are if I'm speaking the English, I am only the fluent in that time only I am speaking. But the basically if you trying to speak the English, initially it is the struggling. So after that, you will make sure yeah, you can continue the English. So in my opinion, so practicing the every day. After that, yeah, you can easily speaking the English continues. So in this video, we are the continuous the continuously the practicing the everyday is in this the opinion. So I'm also beginner. I'm also the practicing the everyday, but I'm also the not fluent some of time. After that, I am practicing the everyday. Some of the fluency I got, but these are the opinion for in my in my way. Like I'm also the listening so much of movies, so much of the content, how to speak and how to the make sentence with someone and a stranger also. Like if you speak at home, yeah, you can ask your brother and your father and mother, yeah, how to say. If you need some of the money, uh, mom, do you have any money? I need for some money. Ask your, if you asking your brother, yeah, let's play with the together. Like if you need to play some cricket or something like that. So if you ask your brother also. So these are the simple sentence making useful for your communication improvement also. So many people are just struggling to speak. Like there are how to say like having the confidence. So hereafter simply don't think about the another person in front of the other person because of they haven't also initially they are also struggling, but after that they are achieved the fluency. So speak little, like because of if you speak little strong, it is the makes difference for your communication skills. So every day you give the practice the 5 to 10 minutes. After that, yeah, you can easily create some of the English and some of the new words. And also, if you have any Instagram and WhatsApp, yeah, you can speak like if you texted in the your mother tongue. So please try to text it in the English format, like how to make like do you know any notes? So these are the simple sentence you make sure in your text chat. So so those also helpful for your communication improvement. So in this video, we're gonna see how to speak the English, how to practice our English at home. Because of if you if you asking your so many things in this home that mom, can you switch on the fan? Mom, I am hungry. Do you have any snacks or any food? And also, you ask with your brother. They are together play with any game or any sport. You ask your your brother, and also you ask with your father. Dad, today how's going your work? Is a hard or easy? You are asking your father also. So these are the simple things you ask at home. So that is makes simple. So in this video, so that's this video. So I can discuss how to speak at home and the English, the practice. So thanks for the watching and also thanks for the supporting my channel. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends if you need the learning. So if you speak with me like the English conversation, I have some idea. So please let me know in the comment section. I will create Google Meet. We are speak together and post on the YouTube. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. We are see next video. Okay. Bye.